To auscultate the anterior chest, take the same systematic approach you just used for percussing the posterior chest. Listen to the duration, pitch, and intensity of the inspiratory and expiratory sounds. Decide what type of breath sounds you are hearing, and note any added sounds. If you hear heart sounds near the heart, try to ignore them while you concentrate on the breath sounds.
99 repeatedly.
99, 99, 99, 99.
If you hear bronchial or bronchovesicular breath sounds where they should not be, listen for transmitted voice sounds.